Hi everybody. So here's a little garden update. So on the sun side of the house, you remember that we had the blackberries as the latest raised bed. But you kind of get that urge to do more. So we went to Home Depot to buy more raised beds. Now we're using the new methodology here. So one of the things that I will step you through is first you get the boards. These are 2x4s, but in this case they're 2 inches thick by 8 inches long. And so I had the Home Depot folks cut the ends for me so it's 3 feet wide. I like 3 feet wide rather than 4 feet wide. But anyways, using our new methodology, no drilling, no screwing, no bolting, basically get these bricks. They're about $2.58 a piece. They've got notches, and you can simply put the board. It fits perfectly as a 2x4. Fits perfectly in the slot. And so this is on grass. So kind of what we're doing here, of course, is putting down the cardboard to kill the grass underneath. So the first step here, as you can see and I can focus, is the cardboard I'm laying out not just underneath the bed, but a little bit around the bed too. And using the same methodology, I got a lot of mulch left over. So I'm going to pull in the mulch and put it on these sides here. And take it all the way down. And then I'll put a little bit of mulch on this side here too to cover the ends. But this way, you got to kill this grass. This St. Augustine grass is a creepy crawly grass that doesn't grow down roots, it grows across the top and makes roots. And you can see here, even though I got mulch, it wants to creep over the ends, so you got to keep pulling and stopping them from invading. So hopefully this is step one, and that is putting the mulch out here, putting the cardboard, and then I'll even them out too with the boards to make sure that they're a little bit even, that they're not too high, too low kind of thing. I'll probably put some mulch or something underneath to kind of shim it up. But anyways, here's step one. Step two, I'm going to put some shredded paper down here. I got some, what do you do with your old bills that you shred? Make mulch out of it. Put some of that down here as a base, and then I got some dirt. Since these are 3x8s, they basically will take 0.7 of a yard, cubic yard of dirt. So that comes to about 10 bags at Walmart, Home Depot, your big box store. If you get the 2 cubic feet of dirt per bags, I need about 10 of them in here. There's some online calculators that can help you do the volume that you need. But anyways, that'll be the next steps here. It's hot. It's about 3 o'clock and it's about 100 degrees out here. It's just super hot. So I got to be careful that I don't, 1, burn, 2, pass out. But anyway, step one of the raised beds, and you can do this at home because it's easy. You buy wood, you buy bricks, you stick it together, you put cardboard underneath. Can't be any easier than that. Alright, step one, we'll come back for step two. Thanks. Alright, one thing you can do too for your raised beds here when you're building them, wet the cardboard. I've seen people do that. Maybe it helps smother out the grass and stuff like that, but you can wet the cardboard, which I did. That may help a little bit too. So you can do that like I am. So if you don't know what to do with your bills and paper you get in the mail, shred it with your paper shredder. And then save it and put it at the bottom of your bins. Makes for some nice mulch. Now I'm just wetting that down a little bit so it don't all blow away. And then I'll spread it out with the dirt. There we go. Give it a good soaking. Make it so it don't go anywhere. And it'll be one more barrier against your weeds. Alright, so all I have to do now is start loading in some dirt in here and getting it covered up. So we'll do that next.